I just want to say thank y'all for supporting me, and thank y'all for liking my videos. Haters gonna hate me like always, but I will leave all my specs down in the description box down below on this video. Hopefully it will power on. My hopes are it will power on, and I will see my BIOS menu. And yeah, let's get this PC going. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. I'm just not learning, so don't hate on it because I'm just now learning how to do it. So I've been watching more videos on how to do this, and yeah, the only thing that I did wrong was the PC case. I thought it would fit the whole thing, but I guess I kind of fit it in there, but it went the other way around. So I just want to thank all y'all on support on this, and yeah, man, my PC is gonna look awesome once everything's installed and I get all the rest of my parts in. So everything is complete done. I got my Windows software. I got everything ready to go. So yeah, I just want to thank all y'all support. I love y'all, and I'm out. There will be YouTube live streams, testing it out, and yeah, make sure you're doing some benchmarks and all the other stuff. So stay tuned for those videos, and I'm out. Peace out, y'all. My specs will be down in the description down below, so make sure you go check that out in the link. I mean the description box, and I'll catch y'all later. Bye.